4,000-year-old chocolate history began in the Mesoamericas, where the Theobroma cacao tree were first found. The ancient Mesoamericans made a paste of the grounded cocoa beans, mixed it with some water and spices and brewed it into a frothy drink. The Olmecs, Mayans and Aztec civilization considered the cacao drink to be an invigorating one, a mood enhancer and an aphrodisiac. This led them to consider that it had some spiritual and mystical properties. The Mayans worshipped the god of cacao and the Aztecs used cacao beans as currency. By 16th century, chocolate reached Spain and the Spanish sweetened this bitter drink, but it remained a symbol of power, luxury and wealth. By 17th century, chocolate became a common drink for the European nobility. Years later, the British chocolate company J.S. Fry and Sons produced the first edible chocolate bar in 1847. In 1879, the conching machine was invented, which produced chocolate of superior taste and texture and allowed the mass production of chocolate. Today, chocolate is one of the world's favorite food and has an industry worth $100 billion. Chocolate is considered to be the food of gods, and when it comes to rum and raisins paired with dark chocolate, it is the heavenly combination which one can never say no to. For making rum and raisin chocolates, we need to soak the raisins in the rum for at least 48 hours. We will chop the chocolate into small pieces so that it melts uniformly. We have got water simmering in a vessel. We'll place our heat-proof bowl with the chocolate over this vessel containing boiling water to make a double boiler. We will keep stirring the chocolate with our spatula till it melts completely and reaches a flowy consistency. We will take a silicone mold and then immediately half fill it with our melted chocolate. Our raisins have been soaking for around 48 hours in dark rum and they have plumped up. We will strain the raisins before we add them to the melted chocolate. Now we will place 3 to 4 raisins on each mold. We will tap the mold gently, then fill it with more chocolate to cover up the raisins. Pouring the chocolate in the mold can get messy, but we can easily remove it after the chocolate has set. We'll again tap the mold gently, then freeze it up for around 30 minutes. Our chocolates have set completely and we'll demold them. Few easy steps and our chocolates with rich filling of rum and raisins are ready to be devoured. Hello everybody, I hope you love our new videos every Wednesday and you love the music composed by Poriti Band for our videos. Please do like, share and subscribe our channel.